If someone said that to you, that you should not create a YouTube channel in 2026, then this video is for you. So let's begin. In this era, everyone is sharing what they have through YouTube channels like vlogging, study tricks, health, fitness, and many more. And if you click this video, you also want to create a YouTube channel. But if you heard that, don't create it. So that person doesn't want you to grow and be the better one from them. It can't be your friend, relative, or other. Or that person, maybe you don't know about it, that's why they say don't create. I know YouTube demand time, consistency, discipline, but this also teach you how to think, how to create, and things that you can't imagine. Before starting this channel, I never knew that I can make a character that is speaking to you now, but I can make now. So don't listen to them, and just create. If it's not good, it will be with time. If my video provide you a 1% of value, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want tutorial on how to make character, then please comment tutorial. Thank you.